Needed to get an operational antenna for my BaoFeng UV5R mini radio. So I went with this one. This is the BaoFeng antenna. And this one is a nice one. Comes in a bubble wrap, I guess. And then inside of that we have the antenna itself in this case. And we'll take that out. It's got a nice end cap on it there, I see. And as you can see, this one can bend and fold, so it doesn't take up as much room. You can take this hook and loop little dealy, strap it around the bottom like this. And this way it can stay tethered in this bound configuration whenever necessary. And then you can install it onto your radio if you're going to be out operating. And now for, I'm just going to put on this attachment, this tactical antenna attachment. So this will attach to the radio as a mast, nice and tight. And then you've got the antenna here, and it'll even tell you on the side here, this is from 136 to about 520. Of course, all antennas have their spot that they're best for, and whenever you need to deploy it, you can just open up that hook and loop, let it go into place. You have a nice long antenna that again can fold down halfway like this, or basically however you want to run it tactically. Flip it up again like this, wrap it up, and now you're good to go. That's why I bought it. Hope that helps.